Here, coming from where I come from, this don't get shut down for nothing. I was just backing smoke back up in the garage and realizing I had to. But hey, boom. Yo, welcome to the channel. It's your boy EVsmokeATX, Big Texas. Hey, coming to doing this video here this beautiful Sunday morning after the snow storm started last night out here. So last night didn't go too bad. I didn't see anyone reported had outages in our neighborhood so far, which is good. I heard the ice coming down. I did a short on that, so check that short out when I was sitting in my computer room in the chair, just relaxing, getting the muscles right. But I was just going to go out here and show right quick some of the snow and ice that we got out here in Texas. And also, earlier I had Smoke summons out the garage. He wanted to go out and play in the snow a little bit, so we're going to let you check that out there for a second there. But I noticed it's about, right now as I'm doing this video, it's a little bit afternoon. The sun is not really out, but it is bright. But also I do want to show right quick that I was looking at my Powerwall's stats on the Tesla app, and it's showing right now we are pulling. Let me try to focus in, but we are pulling from the grid right now. It's keeping the batteries topped off. The sun is not really out, but it's still producing a little solar power. So that way the remaining is coming for the provide whatever that's using in the house is providing. We're using like 5 kilowatts. My wife got the heater and stuff on and got things on, so it's pulling a little bit more power than normal. I'm not charging the cars up, and then they're pretty much charged up the way the way we want it. But as you can see, the app from that previous, I talked about it on my other videos about the storm watch. It's still in storm watch mode, so it's steady. It's not out of the clear yet, so the system knows it's gonna protect and be ready. So if the event something do happen, we're gonna be covered. I want to say this too because I thought about it a couple years ago when we did, or sometime we lose power in the neighborhood. The Tesla kicks in so fast you don't even notice the difference, like no flickers or anything like that. Only way you would usually know is you look at the alerts that comes on through the app saying that the Powerwalls is providing power to the house because the grid is out, or on the Facebook network app that we are in, the group. They're talking about it in the group app about the neighborhood outages and things like that. You know, anybody's experience. I always get on there and just be like this, you know, but I don't say nothing. My wife mainly be on there. I don't say nothing though because I be wanting to be like, see, that's why I say looking to investing into Powerwalls and all that. But hey, I'm not here to try to convince nobody or whatever. I'm just trying to show them the benefit of the investment for us and why we chose to do what we do when it pertains to investing in sustainable energy and clean energy and things like that. So, hey, the only thing I can do is show you. You know, I'm not trying to make nobody do nothing they don't want to do. So, but yeah, let's go outside here and check out this see this beautiful snow out here. That beauty, look at that beauty there. But yeah, so let's walk out here with me and let's go check it out. Oh, matter of fact, I need to put my hoodie on. I don't want to get sick. Let me layer up because you know I don't want to take no chance of getting sick and playing with it. So you see, I got my Scully on. You know, already in the house. It's just a habit. I like wearing my Scully. But I was out earlier. Like I said, I summons Smoke out the garage. Check out that video coming on. I think I put it on my my Instagram. So I summons it out of the garage. He want to go out and play in the snow. So come on and check it out and see right quick. Smoke out there playing in the snow. Catch you back. Boom. All right, ready. Let's go. Alrighty, let's walk up out here. Oh, boom, look at that. Oh, look how bright it is. Nice, bright, and snowy and icy. What's that, a little bit about 1 o'clock out here in Austin, Texas. So far, the sun is out now, so it's melting. They say it's supposed to get back colder tonight, so we just hope for the best. So far, so good. I haven't heard any major accidents or anything that I know of, or power outages so far. But yeah, Smoke, I summons him out of the garage on my, I think I put that on my Instagram now. Just want to check that out. But I summoned him out of the garage straight out into the thing because he wanted to come out in the snow and play a little bit. Look at him. Earlier, before the sun was out, you could just see the satin gray. But when the light come out, he wanna act a fool a little bit. Look at smoke. Smoke. Wanna play in the snow. Ha ha ha. Smoke in the snow. For the first time, actually. Last time, I don't think he wasn't in my possession. He was in the shop getting some stuff done. That year we had. I don't even know if I had him at that time then yet. But I know soon we got him, he went to the shop to get his transformation surgery done and everything, as you can see. With my fab guy. For the ones that's new to this and don't know me, don't know too much about me here. You know, my 101 drag racing Plaid. Safety first. Full interior, rear seat delete. Looking good there. Yep. Safety first. But yeah, this smoke there. So catch him. Getting ready for 2026 race season once it starts opening up in a couple months here. We got an event that's supposed to be coming up here in a couple months that he's going to show up at. We got a little race there going on. A little grudge race. Stay tuned for that. A little bit more information coming out about that. But we're finna have it going. We're gonna have it doing this thing though, so please make sure you stay tuned. There go White Ghost just chilling. He said he want to come out and play in the snow a little bit too, so I'm gonna bring him out a little bit and play in the snow. But yeah, it's beautiful out here. It's beautiful. It ain't cold, cause like I said, by me being from Chicago, born and raised when I was little, going to school, walking in snow up to my knees and so on, ice. You know, you get kind of used to this, but this is kind of weather I actually like. I don't know about you. What about you all? I like this weather versus the Texas heat, because at least with this here, at least with this weather, let me show you. I like about at least with this weather you can layer up. You know, you can put on. I got like a thermo heat shirt on underneath this one, and you know, and some on underneath. You know, you can layer up. You know, and I'm feeling this is comfortable with me. I ain't got my gloves on or anything, or boots or anything, but you can layer up. But summertime out here in Texas, boy, whew, you can't walk around naked. You know what I mean? Think about it. So let me know what you like. You know, what's your preferred weather and climate that you like. Me, I prefer the cold. This is me right here. This is all me. So this January 2026, Austin, Texas. Hopefully we won't turn out like it was back in 21. But the snow like it's melting a little bit, but it's supposed to get back cold tonight. So let's see, I'm gonna show you. So yeah, these guys, they're 100% ready to go. But once again, the event, something happened bad, power lossage, we good to go. Let's see. Yeah, it ain't sticking a little bit, but it ain't staying. Hope it clean my solar panels off some, because it's time for them guys to get cleaned up. So hopefully that ice, once that ice starts melting, it'll take some of that stuff off. I got a company out here, because I ain't gonna lie, I tried to get up on that roof before, and I'm a racer though. I love speed and acceleration, but going fast, but getting on top of the roof is a different ball game. I tried it, got halfway up and looked down and like, ugh, no. But I gotta get up there and get them cleaned off, because it's a company that do it, you know, they charge like $400, so might have to bite the bullet and it's gone do that, because like I said, I tried to go up there. Look at that ice. I tried to go up there, but it wasn't happening. But yeah, I just want to make a quick video, just show out here. Oh, I'm sliding. Ain't got no boots on. Got my neighbor, he about to go do some work or something. Warming it up, making it happen. But yeah, man, I'm gonna go check on a couple of my neighbors, make sure they're all right, make sure they're good, they don't need anything, especially the elder ones, like I always do. So I'm gonna do that right quick before I get sidetracked. But yeah, once again, I I just want to show the snow out here, and then we got smoke out here chilling in the snow, ready for the race track. Stay tuned. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you ain't already so, and check out some other videos and more to come. Stay tuned. Hope the solar panels get cleaned off. But yeah. Whew. I'm feeling a little chill now, so I ain't gonna be out here too long. I'm gonna go check out my neighbors, make sure they good, and stay tuned for the next video coming. I was just backing smoke back up in the garage and realizing I had to the heated wheel on, and that thing felt good. And to be honest with you, I can't really remember a time that I really used the heated steering wheel on this bad boy. I could, never say I used it, or the heated seats. Cause you know. But anyway, look, I was backing it in, I was tapping it. It was sliding a little bit, but it was gripping though, because you got your slip resistant and all this deal, which one I have to use. But anyway, I was almost tempted to go into the parking lot down around the corner and probably get some drifting in on some ice. But I thought about it. These tires right here though, nah. Now if I had my other Pirellis on there, probably did with my other wheels that I gotta go get from the shop and put on there. If I had my other wheels with me, whatever, I'd do it with those tires. But these tires right here, nah, it ain't gonna happen. Not these Michelin. If you know, you know. And let's, blessing I get that sponsorship deal with Michelin. But hey, I'm out. It's your boy EV Smoke. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay tuned for more. And stay safe out there and warm out there all over. No matter where you at. Stay warm and safe. It's your boy. Peace. We out. Boom. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell.